Watch the full video please.
Dang, sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Just wait
Hey
till
man, I just woke up.
See this lather.
Just wait till I see the lather. Man, why your hair poking out like that, man? Let me see the lather. Put your.
Yeah, we about to get waves up in here.
Where's your brush? Start brushing. How you guys? I know I always talk about lather, but I don't think I ever really touched on moisturizing your hair. Moisturizing your hair is 10 times more important than lather. All right, it keeps your hair moist and healthy looking, and not dry. All right, so I guess he's going in with the oils, the moisturizers, the comb. The comb actually lifts your hair up, gets it ready for a brush session. I wouldn't really comb my hair out when I'm moisturizing after washing style, because the goal is to lay it down. But he's doing a pretty good job at keeping his hair laid, which is why the plastic bag plays a big role on laying your hair down. But good stuff. Oh snap! My boy Devel Perry about to do a curls to waves in 60 seconds. I could already tell that I'm gonna see great lather because my dude experienced. All right, this is the first wash and I already. Whoa,
That lather is crazy.
Do y'all see that lather, bruh? I'm trying to back up so y'all could see, but yo, he like a whole professional with this lather junk, man. Dang, that shower cap. How you call that junk? The shower head. That junk was glowing, and his wave silky, bro. That's tough. Lather. You spelled that junk wrong. What's happening right now? I see a lot of great lather. But what you doing with that lather though? You just where'd it go? Okay, so you about okay. I don't know what we doing now, but as shampoo, the lather came back out of nowhere. I'm so confused right now. What type of wizardry, witchcraft is going on right now? I don't even know if that was a word, wizardry. But I definitely see a lot of amazing leather. The leather looks amazing, bro. All right. Your hair's not laid yet. So what you doing, man? Just brush. Stop playing around with your lather. The lather not meant to be played around with. It's meant to lay your hair down so that you could see great results when you take the unrag. When you do the unrag, I don't know what I'm saying no more. All right. So you did all that, but I don't even think I'm gonna get an unrag because the video's almost over. The video almost done. Oh snap! We got an unrag.
Please tag Free62, guys. He must see my lather.
So, as you all may know, his account got banned. And you have to be 12 or older to be on TikTok. I'm not 100% sure, but I think it may have something to do with his age. Nothing to do with race. Alright, we gotta give him my little brother. Is that his little brother? Is just his brother. I guess that's just his brother. I don't know who's younger, I don't know who's older. But yeah, lather that hair up nice. You just skip the whole nother. I don't know how many steps you skip, but you don't go straight to the lather. You gotta wet the hair first, man. You gotta scramble first before you do all of that, alright? That hair probably mad dirty. Nah, ain't no lather coming out of there, man. The hair still got some products and dirt up in there. You gotta wash all of that and rinse all of that out first before you get to the lathering part, alright? So you messed up right there. I don't see no. He about to rag up with no lather? What? What is you doing? Oh no. This is a crime. No. I don't even care about the results, man. This junk freezing and junk. What's going on? The lather's not there. That's why this. Oh nah, I'm done. I'm not even gonna finish. I'm sorry, y'all. Sir, another washing style. My favorite types of videos. What is that? Oh, what was that? That was shampoo. Ooh, okay, decent lather.
Where'd the lather go?
Are those waves one of the TikTok waves replacements? Oh. He got like a lace front or something? What you got on, man? You bald? What you do? Oh, nah, it's not no lace front. Ain't nobody gonna comb back and go lace front like that. Oh, he about to do a washing style. Woo! Mad dirt coming out your hair, man. Oh, nah, don't brush it in with the dirt. You know, rinse it out first. I hope you wash it the second time. Y'all see it's not lathering, right? That's mad dirt. Okay, he rinsed it. That's dope. He rinsed it. I was about to say, man. Now the second one, it should lather pretty good. Pretty decent lather. No matter of fact, that's pretty good. Oh, he know what he talking about. He using his hand to lay the hair down before ragging up. We gonna get an unrag? Okay, air dry, full hours. Let me see the unrag. This is what wavers call wolfing. Guys, wolfing is just letting your hair grow out and learning how to keep it laid. That way your waves will look a lot deeper, a lot more defined, and just overall a lot better. And especially when you get a cut, it makes it look a lot better too. Alright, so we got an OG with the wave check, you feel me? Yeah. Put your head down. Let me see the waves. Put your head down. Okay, I can see them a little bit there and there. Put your head down a little more. Let me see. Put your head down. Yeah, he gonna put his head down. I'm trying to see the waves. Let me see. Put your head down a little bit, man.
Put your head down, OG.
Let me see the waves. Put your head down. Put it down a little bit, like. Let me see. Put it down, man. Come on. Bruh.
See, the problem with y'all young whippersnappers is y'all ain't got no patience. I did my washing style out the shower.
Your hair still looks wet. You not about to unrag with your hair still. You gotta wait for your hair to drop. Oh, that's my guy with the Nike weight. Yo, this is a problem with me right here. I gave LP some advice a couple months back. LP started working. Now the results are amazing. All right, I see a lot better definition. Now, my advice to you now will be to keep doing what you're doing, wolf washing style, and now comb out your hair. Alright, so we got curls to waves. I already know his waves gonna be spinning because he looked like he got medium hair. What is you doing? Oh, that's soap. He got a shampoo bar. Yo, shampoo bars give you the best lather. So if you guys want some great lather, them shampoo bars ain't no game, bro. Do y'all see? Oh my Jesus, dang! Do y'all see that? Whew! That just was immaculate, man. Now, let me see the unrag, bro. That is amazing. That was so dope. My first time getting waves, and I did a washing style. Alright, let's get it. Let's see. First, you gotta wet your hair. Yo, y'all be skipping mad steps, man. But let's keep going. Wet your hair. Apply shampoo. Feel me? Going with the brush. That's pretty decent lather with the brush. Usually, a lot of people start to lose lather while they're brushing, but yours is still in it. That's dope. Rag up. Then you gotta rinse your hair out with the do-rag on. Alright? Don't take that do-rag off. And now let's see the unrag. Looking pretty laid, pretty silky, but you got mad full.